Hey guys, I actually found this really weird glitch. So what are you gonna do is you're gonna go to the market store. Oop. But you're gonna head to the market. So you're gonna head to the market. You can use any vehicle to go it. I'm just using my human bubble. I can't be laggy. I'm sorry for my lag. Okay. Then you want to find the chocolate milk. I'm just gonna buy like 1 trillion of these. But I'm gonna pause the video to how Snowy is thirsty. So yeah. Okay guys, I finally got my bear thirsty. So I'm gonna grab a chocolate milk. Then look, it just poofs into a water. Like, oh my gosh, that is not actually an edit. Like, oh my gosh. That's like seriously insane. Like, here, let's look again. Look, just a water poop. Lag, 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 lag. But like, seriously. It's like cray. It's known for crazy. Oh yeah, that's it guys. Bye.